India's most haunted places. Opening shot of a spooky old mansion, with eerie music playing in the background. Voiceover. India is a land of diverse cultures, traditions, and beliefs. But it is also home to many haunted places that are shrouded in mystery and legends. Cut to a shot of Bangor Fort, Rajasthan. Voiceover. Bangor Fort is one of the most haunted places in India. According to legend, the fort was cursed by a magician who fell in love with the princess of the fort. The curse resulted in the death of everyone who lived within the fort's walls. Today, the fort is abandoned, and it is said that the spirits of the cursed people still haunt the place. Cut to a shot of Dumar Beach, Gujarat. Voiceover. Dumar Beach is known for its black sand and also its spooky reputation. The beach is said to be haunted by the ghosts of the people who were cremated on the beach. Visitors have reported hearing strange whispers and feeling a sense of unease while walking on the beach at night. Cut to a shot of Shaniwawada Fort, Pune. Voiceover. Shaniwawada Fort is a historic fort that was built in the 18th century. It is said to be haunted by the ghost of a young prince who was brutally murdered within its walls. Visitors have reported hearing his cries for help and seeing his apparition in the fort's corridors. Cut to a shot of Kuldara Village, Rajasthan. Voiceover. Kuldara Village is an abandoned village that is said to be cursed. According to legend, the village was abandoned overnight by its inhabitants because of a curse that was placed on them. Visitors have reported feeling a strange energy in the village and hearing whispers and footsteps even though the village is deserted. Cut to a shot of D'Souza Chawl, Mumbai. Voiceover. D'Souza Chawl is a dilapidated building that is said to be haunted by the ghost of a woman who committed suicide in one of the rooms. Visitors have reported hearing her screams and seeing her apparition in the building's corridors. Closing shot of all the places mentioned above. Voiceover. These are just a few of the many haunted places in India that are shrouded in mystery and legends. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, a visit to these places is sure to send shivers down your spine.